I love bonfire night. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, I love it too.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go to the bonfire and roll my hands up because it's cold.
yeah. No, Bradley! Don't go that close to the bonfire!
What? I don't want. I know what I'm doing.
It's too dangerous to go close to their bonfire.
Don't you love fireworks?
Oh,
mate?
no, they're amazing, aren't they?
Yeah, go on that one, mate.
Okay, I will.
Oh, James, the spot's gone out on the firework.
No problem, mate. I'm gonna go and sort it.
No, don't! The firework could go off and we could blow up.